Hey guys, here at the Beretta booth, SHOT Show 2025. I'm Broxton Carlisle, the pistol product manager. Just wanted to walk you guys through who Beretta is as a company. So 1526 is where we can trace our start to. So we had an order for a barrel way back in the day. So next year is going to be our 500-year anniversary. So if you know Beretta, you know our classic pistol here. It's the 92 FS. The military contract, the M9, was carried for about 30 years, just recently replaced. So for what's new this year at SHOT Show, we have a lot of new colorways. So we have the 92X Performance, and this is the classic. So you have a stainless barrel and wood grips. You have no rail on here, so very classic styling. We also have some colorways of the 80X. So this is a 380, a smaller pistol here. So concealable. And you have the silver and black two-tone. We also have a light blue here. And these will both come in a presentation case. So leather wrapped with a cutout for the pistol and a magazine. Very nice. New for this year, we have the same platform, the 80X Cheetah, but now in 32 auto. So that's a little bit smaller round. I'll show you the barrels. So a little smaller over here. But with that smaller round in this size and weight, you have essentially no recoil. So these are optics compatible with our plate systems. They're single double action, hammer fired with a decocker. So I'll demo that real quick. It's a decock and then stays up, your trigger's disconnected. So you want to go back to fire down on that lever, and then you have double action. So these are a 12+1, and that carries over into the 32 auto version. Something we did last year is the 30X Tomcat. This was a refresh of our 3032. So on the old model that we've been making for close to 40 years now, there was a mag release here in the heel. So you'd hit that to release the magazine. Now we've relocated it behind the trigger guard, very modern, and suits the American market better. So these are 8+1. And the cool feature on these is if you hit this top button, the barrel releases so you can load one directly into the chamber. No need to rack the slide on these. So single double action. On these newer models, the trigger weight has been reduced by 35%. We also have a flat face trigger shoe. Another new offering is suppressor height sights that used to not be an option, as the front sight was machined directly into the barrel. So now the sights are interchangeable. So you have a white dot front and a blacked out rear. And then brand new for this year is the 20X. So the same general concept, but chambered in 22 long rifle. These are chambered in 32 auto. So these are the 92 XI single action only. This is the foreign combat series. So last year we had the American combat series that called back to camos that were used in America's history. So now we've opened that up to the worldwide camos. So these are hand painted by veterans at a veteran-owned company, firearms. So we're proud to partner with them and bring you guys these different camos.